Hey, this is Brett Schiller, your Tampa Bay real estate professional. Let me tell you, we've got something really special for you today. Located up in Wesley Chapel, about 30 minutes north of the city of Tampa. So many people are choosing Wesley Chapel for their new home, and there's a lot going on up here. Lots of new construction, lots of commercial developments, great shopping, close proximity to the city. So this is a Taylor Morrison community, River's Edge, and this is the Humboldt. Beautiful, you got a courtyard right here behind me, and so much detail that you can get in this house. You can customize it. Nice tile roofs. I'm seeing a lot of builders go away from that, but I love a good tile roof. So, hey, if this is your first time to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Brett Schiller. My goal is to be a resource for you and helping you find the best real estate all around Tampa Bay. If I can be a help to you, my number's on the screen. That's what I'm here for. Reach out to me, text me, email me. Let me be your boots on the ground and your guide to purchasing your dream home in the Tampa Bay area. Thanks so much for watching. Let's go check out this house. Okay, the specifics of this Humboldt. This is a 3,502 square foot home. 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and between 1 to 2 stories, depending on how you want to finish it. There is an optional, the upstairs is optional. And if you do add that, it's going to add additional square footage and have that game room and space to entertain. And of course, 3-car garage. Now at the time of this recording, September of 2023, starting price is $884,000. Now this is a true opportunity to have a semi-custom home. So you get to pick the options inside, and you're obviously going to see that price fluctuate based on how you want to finish the home and of course the lot that you put the home on. So the home does have a lot of phenomenal features. You got the courtyard as you come in, and the living space is really well done. I think the builders knocked it out of the park with the open floor plan. I think you're going to enjoy this one. So I'll let you get to your tour, and we will look forward to seeing you at the end. And that wraps up this model tour. Once again, we're located in the city of Wesley Chapel in the River's Edge community. This is a Taylor Morrison community, and let me tell you, it's really exquisite. It's really hard to do justice for what this home has to offer on camera. So if you want to schedule your own private showing to see exactly what this home looks like in person, you can contact me, Brett Schiller, to do that. Hey, thanks again for watching. My goal is to be a resource for you in your journey in owning real estate in the Tampa Bay, Florida area. If I can be a part of your journey, don't hesitate to reach out to me. That's what I'm here for. Your boots on the ground. I've got good relationships with the reps here, and new construction reps all around the Tampa Bay area can negotiate on your behalf. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on our next video.